What are an executor's duties for creditor notification? Imagine you've been chosen to handle a loved one's estate. Your first big task is making sure everyone who is owed money knows about the death. That's what creditor notification is all about. When you become the executor, you need to identify all the people and organizations the deceased owed money to. This includes banks, credit card companies, medical providers, landlords, and even government agencies like the Social Security Administration if benefits were received. You'll review their financial records, mail, bills, and any documents that show who the debts are with. Once you have a list, you send a formal notice to each creditor. This notice informs them that the estate is being settled and asks them to file any claims for what they are owed. Some states also requiring you to publish a notice in a local newspaper to alert creditors you might not know about. Timing is important here. Usually, you need to send these notices within 3 to 6 months after you start managing the estate. This gives creditors a set period to submit their claims. Once claims are received, you review each one to verify if they are valid. You only pay legitimate debts from the estate's assets before distributing what's left to the heirs. If the deceased received government benefits like Social Security, you must notify the agencies promptly and return any payments made after the date of death. This process is especially important when dealing with older adults who often have complex financial situations. They might have medical debts, long-term care expenses, or benefits that need to be carefully managed. Your goal as the executor is to make sure all debts are properly handled and the estate is settled fairly. You want to avoid personal liability or legal issues later on. In short, you need to notify all creditors quickly and accurately, give them a chance to make claims, and pay valid debts before distributing the estate. This helps protect everyone involved and ensures the estate's obligations are met smoothly.